There is no failure, only feedback. Robert Allen. To support you in building greater self-awareness, the Johari Window is a mental framework that helps you to uncover the layers of who you are. By identifying and peeling back these layers, you can gain a better understanding of yourself and improve your relationships. You can visualize it as a window divided into 4 panes, each representing parts of you. The open area is what you know about yourself and what others know about you. For example, you might know you're funny and others see it too. The blind spot. These are things others see about you, but you're unaware of. Maybe you often get defensive without realizing it. The hidden area. This is what you know about yourself, but choose to keep hidden from others, like fears or insecurities. The unknown area. These are things neither you nor others know about you. It's your untapped potential, traits, or abilities that you don't know exist yet. Now, before we jump into how to apply the Johari Window, it's important to preface that the Johari Window only works if you approach it with the right mindset and the right people. Since you'll be asking for feedback and sharing information that may be deeply personal to you, it's important that you ask trusted individuals who you believe genuinely have your best interests at heart and know you well. Share openly and honestly so you can get candid feedback. Be ready to hear the truth with an open mind. The more brutally honest the feedback, the better. Write down your insights and reflect deeply with the intent to gain a fuller picture of yourself. Okay, let's jump into applying the Johari Window. Step 1, your open area. Start by writing down traits, strengths, weaknesses, and behaviors you know about yourself. Then ask a close friend or colleague what they think about you. Try to find things that you both agree on and build your open area. Step 2, explore your blind spots. This can feel a bit vulnerable, but it's worth it. Ask people you trust for deep and honest feedback. What strengths, weaknesses, or quirks do they notice that you might not be aware of? Write these down. It's a window into how others experience you. Step 3, reflect on your hidden area. What are the things you keep to yourself? Maybe it's a fear, a dream, or a talent you haven't shared. Write these things down privately. Then ask yourself, what would happen if I shared this with someone I trust? Step 4, embrace the unknown. This part takes curiosity. Try new experiences. Challenge yourself and journal about what you discover. By getting comfortable with being uncomfortable, over time, you'll uncover traits or abilities you didn't know existed. And lastly, step 5, revisit and grow. The Johari Window isn't a one and done exercise. As you grow, the window shifts. Regularly revisiting it will enable you to track and keep expanding your self-awareness. By taking these steps, you'll not only learn more about yourself, but also build stronger, more authentic connections with the people around you. Just remember that vulnerability is your superpower. Contrary to what many people may think, the willingness to be vulnerable stems from a place of courage and strength, not a place of weakness.